have the Flytec 8860 4x4 rock crawler. It is a 1/12 scale. It is ready to run, but it is not ready to run. You know what I'm saying? So it does come in pieces and you have to put it together. But this bag here, you get all the parts that you need, and then you get a screwdriver and your USB charger along with an instruction manual that shows you how to put it all together. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put this together. Okay, so we have this all put together now, and checking out the suspension, the articulation in there. It doesn't seem that these front shocks actually compress. They're really on a forward angle there. So yeah, they actually, you see that? It bends there. Like it, oh, there we go. Huh, okay. Same with the back. I cannot get the spring to compress. So, wonder how that's gonna affect the crawling ability. We'll see how good it is right after we charge up the 7.2 volt, 400 milliamp hour nickel cadmium battery. Alright, yes, we got the Flytec 8860. It is finally charged. Nickel cadmium batteries take about 2 eternities to charge up. So, yes, we're finally charged. I do apologize for the wind. It is extremely windy out here. On the bottom of the truck, you have the power switch right here. And then here is your trim. And oh yeah, look at that. We have some LED lights. Nice. So they just stay on when you turn the power on. So we do have non-proportional throttle and non-proportional steering, but it is 4-wheel drive. So this is where I ran the last Flytec. This is a little bit bigger scale. So let's see if this can do just as good as the last Flytec. So here we go. Go over these tree roots. This would be a nice little test for it. Oh, I did go on the outer side of those, but it still made it over, I must say. Uh-oh, our first hiccup. This doesn't have a lot of ground clearance, as you can see. Let's see if we can get out of it. Not looking like it. Let's go another way. Up over the rocks there. There we go. There we go. Now I know I got stuck the last time right here at this rock. I couldn't get over with the last Flytec I had. Let's see if this thing can make it. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Oh. Man, I am hung up on both axles. There we go. There we go. Oh, come on, you can do it.
You can do it!
Come on. Come on. Oh, I don't think. Here, let's try going this way. I can't turn here. There we go. There we go. Nice. Nice. This might be the end of the road right here. Oh, maybe if I get a nice jump start here. Oh, nice. Yo, this thing has already outdone my expectations, and I am still climbing this hill. Still going, still going. I kind of popped me off the wrong path there. Oh, I think this is where I'm gonna be stopping unless I go over here. That I really don't think I'm gonna make. I'm gonna go this way. Well, maybe not. Oh, look at that. This might be it. This might be it. Yep. Just doesn't have the strength to get its back axle over this rock. All right, well, hey, I made it all the way up that hill. I don't know if you can tell how steep that is and how far that is, but I made it all the way up that hill with this. I was a little concerned about getting over the stuff just because there's not a lot of flex, and the way this suspension doesn't compress like it should. I was kind of worried, but this thing powered over it. So it did get a little bit late and it got dark and the wind, the audio was horrible. So we're back inside, and I must say that this Flytec 8860 was not terrible. It was pretty good actually. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.